Hello there. I wanted to make a quick video to show you how to check to see whether or not your child has turned in their assignments for classes. I've had a lot of questions about how you do this. So what we're going to do when your child clicks into their class, and I'm just going to click into my first and second periods, and I'm going to change this to student view so that you can't do this, but I'm going to change mine to student view so we can see what it looks like as far as what the student sees. On the front page, you can see on mine, it's got the announcements that are coming out from the county and the school. But the biggest thing is over here on the left, for the students to see their assignments, they have to click on modules. And that's over here on the left-hand side. And you will see that each day says 317 Digital Learning Day, all the way up to right now, there's 323, there's 324. So I'm posting them as I'm getting them done. But if you want to know if your child has turned in their work or not, if you look here at 317, you can see this assignment is overdue because it has the little red circle with the slash in it. But to me, it doesn't look like they've done any assignments here. If they have completed assignments, you can scroll down and it will say, it will have a check mark beside everything that they've completed. If it's overdue, again, you're going to see the circle with the dash in it. But this is an easy way that you can say, to check in with your students, say, hey, show me your digital learning days for today. This is how mine is set up, so it will always look like this when they go into social studies, no matter if you're in my first period, my second period, or my third period. I hope this really helps you. I know digital learning is new for all of us. I'm trying, we're all in this learning process together, and we just want to make sure that your students are still successful since they're at home and they're not face to face with us. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time. I will do my very best to answer your questions. If I don't feel like I can answer it through an email, then I can set up a video like this, and hopefully the videos are a little easier to understand than step-by-step instructions in email. Thank you again for everything you're doing at home. I know how hard teaching can be, and I know exactly how y'all are feeling right now. Again, reach out if you need anything at all.